Welcome back students to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. So again we are ready with today's video. This video is for class 8 and the subject is maths, and we are proceeding with the chapter number 2, and the name of the chapter is linear equation in one variable. So we have already started exercise 2.2 and we have discussed some of the questions up to question number 5 or 6. Up to question number 6 we have already completed. Question number 7, the sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. Find the multiples. 3 consecutive multiples of 8 means question number 7. This is question number 7. Let the consecutive multiples of 8 be x. Now we have assumed the first multiple of 8, that is x. We are supposed to assume 3, means 2 more we want. So what will be the relation between the consecutive multiples of 8? First of all we should see the table or multiples. We should list the multiples: 8, 16, 24, 30. So we can see the difference is 8, then again 8, again 8, plus 8, plus 8, plus 8. 8 plus 8, 16, 16 plus 8, 24, 24 plus 8, 30. You all know that we can prepare the table of any number by adding the same number in all the coming numbers. So here the consecutive multiples means the numbers coming in the table of 8. First of all x, then x plus 8, then x plus 8 plus 8, means that will be x plus 16. So these are the consecutive multiples of 8 according to question. That the sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 8 is 888, means x plus 8 plus x plus 8 plus 8 is equals to 888. Now we can add the x, 1, 2, 3. 3x plus 8 plus 8 plus 8, that is 24, is equals to 888. So we have done half part. Half part means already we have framed the linear equation in one variable of the given information. Linear, why? Because the degree is 1. Equation, the sign of equality is there. Variable is 1, that is only x. Now we have to solve to find the value of x. So what we will do? We will use that method of transposition. So 3x is equal to 8 minus 24. This plus 24 will become minus 24, and we will get 3x is equal to 8 minus 4, 8 minus 2, 6, 8. Now again we will find out x will be 864 upon 3. Why 3? If we cancel out 3 to the 6, 3 at the 24, 3 at the 24. From here we get that the value of x is 288, and hence the multiples will be required multiples. Required multiples of 8 are, first one is x, second one is x plus 8, third one is x plus 8 plus 8. First one is x, that is we already find out the value of x, that is 288 plus 8, and 288 plus 8 plus 8, and the answer will be here 288. Then if we add 8 in that, we will get 296, and the third one, if we add 8 more in that, we will get 304. Now we want to check our answer, then we can add them. 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 8, 18, 8, 1. 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 9, 18, 8, 1. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8. Means this satisfies the required condition which is given in the question, that the 3 consecutive multiples of 8 adds up to 888. So this is the method how we can solve the question, and the additional method I told you how to verify the answer. We can add the answer and we can check that whether the addition is 888 or not, to verify our answer whether it is correct or not. That is not required when you are attempting the question. You can verify at the place where you are performing your calculation or rough work. At rough work you can verify your answer. So this was the question number 7. Now we will discuss the question number 8. When you are watching the videos, at the same time you should have the textbook with you, because you can also read the questions what is given in the question. So now we will perform, we will try to solve the question number 8. 3 consecutive integers are there when they are taken in an increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively, they add up to 74. 3 consecutive integers are there. Let the consecutive integers be, I told you previously how to assume x, then x plus 1, then x plus 2. These are the consecutive integers. So according to question, these are the integers taken in the increasing order. X is the smallest and x plus 2 is the largest one. So x plus 1, then x plus 2. They are multiplied by 2, 3 and 4. 2, 3 and 4. Then there is a sign of addition and we get the answer 74. That is given in the question when the integers, the consecutive integers are taken in ascending order and they are multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively. Means 2 को सबसे smallest से multiply करना है, 4 को सबसे largest से multiply करना है, then we will get the answer 74. Now we will solve it. So 2x plus 3x, 3 1 by 3 plus 4x 4 to the 8 plus 74. Now we will sum up the variables. 4x, 3x, 2x. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 4, 9x plus 3 plus 8, 11 is equal to 74. Now this is the required linear equation in one variable for this question. Now we will solve that. So how? By the method of transposition. So 9x is equal to 74. That will be minus 11. Now we will get 9x is equals to 63, and from here we will get x is equals to 63 upon 9 and x is equals to 7. So the required integers will be first integer is 7, second will be 7 plus 1, 8 and then 9. Now we are supposed to check our answer. So we will write here 7, 8 and 9, and we are supposed to multiply this by 2, this by 3, this by 4. 7 to the 40, 8 3 to 24, 9 4 to 36, and then we can add 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 4, 14, 4 1 carry 3 1 4, 4 plus 6, 6 plus 1 7. These are the integers when multiplied taken in an order of ascending order, and if you multiply by 2, 3 and 4 respectively, then they will add up to 74. We have also verified our answer, we have find out the correct answers, and the answer is 7, 8 and 9 are the consecutive integers when taken in the ascending order and multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively adds up to 74. Like this you can proceed the exercise. This is very interesting exercise as far as it belongs to me. Then you should also perform the solution of these questions. You are supposed to try the questions. If any difficulty is there, if you are having any doubt, then you are supposed to message us, or you can even call us. We will try to rectify your doubts by any of the means. Two means are there. One, we can rectify on the phone call as well, if the doubt is like that. And if it is not possible to rectify your doubts on phone call, then we will prepare a new video with a different method, which will be much more easier for you to understand, because after clearing your basics only, that will be easier for you, that will be comfortable for you to proceed the exercise. So try all the questions of this exercise, and after completing the questions, you are supposed to take the pic of that, and you are supposed to upload on the school's WhatsApp number, so that we can maintain the record of the name of the student who are completing the homework on the daily basis as well as correctly. Thank you very much.